Today's lesson over Learning Target 3 is that I can identify the specific name for a quadrilateral given properties. So, given the pictures, we want to be able to classify what we're looking at here. So number 1 and number 2, it looks like number 1 we have 2 pairs of parallel lines, and for 2 we only have 1 pair. So 1 we would consider a parallelogram because of the 2 opposite pairs. Number 2, we only have 1 pair, and we don't know if the sides are equivalent, even though they kind of look that way, so we have to classify it as a non-isosceles trapezoid. Number 3, you have opposite pairs of parallel lines. You also have a right angle in the bottom left corner, so if they're parallel, then they all must be right angles. 4, it looks like all sides are equivalent, but the angles look a little different. So I would say number 3 would be considered a rectangle. And then for 4, congruent sides makes that a rhombus. And then number 5, it has congruent sides and it has a right angle in the top left. Number 6 has 1 pair of parallel lines, but then the opposite sides or opposite legs are congruent to one another. So I would say number 5 is a square, and then number 6 would be a isosceles trapezoid because of those characteristics. Okay, have fun.